G'day. Just an update on our 5-agent crypto bot. It's been doing pretty well over the last few days. Well, how could it not, with the price rising and it only buying? It does give us that overwhelming sense of confidence. The reality will set in when the price falls like a stone again. Will we see our buys shift to sells? Will it happen in time not to hit our stop losses? The biggest issue with this trading of cryptos is that they all have the US dollar on the other side of the trade. So, they do all follow the same price movements. Well, let's wait and see how it handles negative price movements. I have made a few changes to the bot. First, I fixed the way it calculated stop loss and take profit levels. The risk of each trade should now be capped at 1%. And it should have double the take profit level. The stop loss is more important than our take profit, as our take profit probably will never get hit. The basket close will close all trades well before that. Also, the adjustment that the AI makes works like a trailing stop. The stop loss will get hit unless the bot catches a negative move in time and closes it itself, which I am not betting on. I also have fixed the lot volume issues. It was having problems calculating the correct lot volumes for each crypto pair. I think I have that fixed, but I will keep an eye on it. The AI was changing the symbol names when it returned buy and sell orders. I have fixed that to make it enforce the broker symbols. I changed the weighting of the returned signals. The dominant signal is now the funding rate, which is set to 40%. Funding rate works a bit like futures. It is not a foolproof way to set the trade direction, but it should be a good indication. 30% we put on our AI 2 checks. These check technical data and some other indicators of direction. 20% we put on-chain volume and transfers. We are especially looking for large orders that could affect the price. 10% we put on sentiment. We do not want sentiment to affect price direction very much. We will add it just for fun. So now we are currently seeing a large bias towards buying all crypto pairs. Other things I have done is I have removed pairs that had a high spread. These pairs we would have had to see a significant increase, just to break even. I have also upped the bias score from 0.6 to 0.7. This weeds out pairs that have weaker signals. It has reduced the number of open trades. Maybe I could increase it even more, but let's wait and see. I fixed the display. It wasn't showing the correct risk settings. Hope now it is. I think I have fixed an issue where we were opening Forex pairs, even though they were not in the Market Watch. It would open the pairs and they were being added to Market Watch, so we would have Forex pairs dragging down our crypto profits. So far, I think it is fixed. I haven't seen any more Forex trades open. The one big thing I haven't fixed is that the AI is not adhering to the max open trades number. It is opening trades far beyond what it should. I haven't fixed it because I want to see what happens if it continues opening them. It's a bit like dollar cost averaging at the moment. This could cause devastation when the price drops suddenly. I think it will be a bit of a gamble. Will we have 5 trades open when the price moves against us, or will we have 130 trades open? The trouble with all crypto is there is no asset behind the price. You don't even get a tulip bulb when the price drops. So let's keep an eye on it for the time being. Just checked Alpha Arena to see how their trading is going. 2 of the systems just doubled their money. If you check their trades, they are all long on different cryptos. Qwen3 seems is holding a lot of cash at the moment. It could be the big winner if we see a price drop. Qwen 3 seems to be handling risk better than the others. But as I always say, let's see how they handle a loss. Using these agents to help with trading is lots of fun. My take on using AI is that it is good at gathering data and analyzing data. What used to take a lot of work, scraping websites and passing data to databases, can now be done in seconds using these agents. You can use fundamental and analytical data to trade instead of looking at charts, which only show past price information. Trading with charts, I think, will become the least reliable way to trade in the future. When you can see the blockchain, you can see orders. You can see things like funding rates. These are all tools you can use to predict future prices. Charts are not good predictors of future prices. Well, that's about it for me. Tell me, what do you think? Leave a comment if you have a view on where trading is heading in the future. Specialized agents, just for trading, is my guess. Have fun.